So, what is international development? So, according to Boston University, international development is a generous or a generous or kind transfer of resources and knowledge from developed nations to developing nations. So, here from the definition from the Boston University, we can infer that there is a an aid that is given coming from the developed nations to developing nations. But before going into the colonial legacy, let us first define how do we divide the nations? Do we divide them according to sorry, according to geographical locations or ethnicity? How do we divide them? Now, during the Cold War, the nations were basically divided into three. So it was categorized as first world countries, second world countries, and the third world countries. And here is a basically the United States and its allies, more on the Western Europe. So during Cold War, those were just after the World War II. Two superpowers had arise. That would be the United States and the Communist Union of Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. So so after the World War II, we have two superpowers that had risen. So gone are the days of the colonial powers. So these two superpowers have competing ideology. So the United States socialist